Right, spoon time. So this is all a spoon is. That's it. And the pressure is nowhere near as deep as what I was doing with my massage. I'm just scraping. I want to get a nice reddish look come up along the affected muscle. So the idea in Chinese terms, if you didn't know what this is all about, first of all we call it Gua Sha. I studied Chinese medicine at university, did a degree in acupuncture. Was an acupuncturist before a masseur. So actually acupuncture is what got me into massage. So Gua Sha was a big part of what I did, and I really enjoyed it thoroughly. So you need some oil to lubricate, right? Otherwise doing it on dry skin it pinches. You need a little bit of oil, not a lot. Too much oil when you're slipping and sliding. You just need a right amount. Remember, it's always easier to add than it is to subtract. Then grab the spoon wherever you want. You can scrape towards you. You can scrape away from you. You can hold it in different positions, whichever way you want. Usually, I just want to find where the best part of the muscle is that hurts and feels good to release, and I focus on that. In Chinese terms, the idea is to move what we call stagnant blood. Stagnant blood is often what causes pain. It'll come up red often if it's done well and it's the right treatment. It'll bruise up, but it'll bruise up but won't hurt. It won't be one of those bruises that hurt. It's just blood's come to the surface. You can use a point if you like, but then it's a short point. Like you're reducing the surface area, which means that you're increasing the pain because it's less of a surface area that you're massaging, if that makes sense. The same reason why I say contouring is more relaxing than very specific deep tissue work. I often don't use the point, and I also can vary the angle of attack of the lip. So if I want to make it nicer, I'll massage more of the lip. And if I want to be more aggressive, I'll turn it at a harsher angle. These spoons are really cheap, like $2. Chinese health food, no, just at a Chinese store. Maybe it wasn't even a Chinese store, maybe it was just a general, you'll find it. It's a Chinese soup spoon. Just make sure that if you're ever going to use this, run your finger along the edge first to make sure there are no nicks or cracks. Same thing if you're using glass cups. Feels so nice. Yeah, heaps better. Feels really good. Still much tightness in there still. I can feel it. Poor hands. So many handstands, you know? You seen this? So many handstands. It's been non-stop. I probably stopped one weekend in a whole month. Did you hear that? It's cumbersome as well. After some time, that'll get oil on it, and it's hard to hold and manipulate. All right. You're stretching. Oh, I still feel that there. Maybe I need to rest for a bit. I can't not do handstands. I need to get to 10 seconds consistently. Yeah, it's knowing it doesn't hurt anywhere. It's still tight though. Oh, this oil, cold pressed sweet almond oil. It's really good stuff. Cheap on Amazon. Look at that finger go. Oh. Oh. So I'm trying to get the muscle in between these two knuckles. Oh, there's a lot of heat right now. This is quite nice. Wow. Alright, that's quite nice too. Oh, I'm using the heel of my palm. I'm finding the right angle. Oh. Oh, other side. Oh. Wow. Oh, my feet are off the ground. There's a lot of pressure. Oh. Who said you couldn't self-massage? I'd much rather someone else do this for me, but it's better than nothing. Oh, all the way, look, thumb, all the way. Oh, yeah. You guys, that feels great. You know, I kind of wish I had something just plush. Oh, let me show you one more thing. It might not work so well with such a big cup, but a similar sort of thing can happen with a cup when you got oil, and you actually can massage with a cup. See, the cup is too big, but say if it's on the back, you get a suction, and you push the cup along where you want to go, and it can do a massage for you. Oh, look, we got it going. So I'm lifting up the cup in the direction I want it to go. See this? Especially because it's silicone, it deforms quite easily. Glass is different, but then glass wouldn't allow me to work on the forearm. It's actually quite good. And this. Oh. Oh. You guys, it's actually quite good. These silicone cups are cheap too. You'll find them online for like $15 for a set of 4, and different sizes too. Alright, so you can tell that I've got very little oil. You're going to need oil to create that suction. It gives you an extra barrier, but you don't need a lot. It's quite nice. Other side. Alright, so the best way to fix an issue like this is to remove yourself from the problem, is to take a break from doing handstands and let the body repair and heal. But you know, I'm a male and I'm not very good at listening to what my body is telling me to do, what to do. And therefore, I treat. This is really good. I'm surprised I didn't think of this earlier. Something's up right there. That's where all of it's happening for me. Alright, I'm gonna give it a rest. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for hanging around. Why are we flipping for? Out of power. Hold that.